Hi everybody, my name is Yash from PickinGVT.net. I hope you're doing well these days. Today I'm going to talk about basic types in Haskell. Let's check it out. To start, open your Haskell command shell. If you don't know how to do this, just check out my installation guide video. Okay, first of all, Haskell has a static type system. If you don't know what exactly it is, don't worry, I will cover this concept later. By now, you should know we have number, we have character, boolean, okay, boolean, and functions. Functions are the most important object and widely used in Haskell. We almost build everything with them, so take them seriously. If you need check an object type, you simply can use this command to check number type, character type, boolean, and even function type. We'll talk about this expression in future video. These are just general concepts of types. You don't need to take them seriously, just try to make some connection to proceed. We'll talk about type and type clauses more precisely later. That's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friend. Take care of yourself until we meet again.